Hey nurses, welcome to Nurse in Dubai, Parvez Nurse Network, your trusted source for nursing exam preparation, career guidance, and life as a nurse in the UAE. If you're preparing for the DHARN exam in 2025 and feeling totally overwhelmed, don't worry, I've been exactly where you are. Scrolling through random YouTube videos, downloading multiple PDFs, flipping between Saunders, Kaplan, Prometric books, and still not knowing where to begin. So, let's fix that right now. Let me tell you the real truth. You don't need to study 10 subjects. You don't need to read 5 books. And you definitely don't need to waste your time on outdated materials. For the 2025 DHARN exam, there are only 4 subjects you need to focus on. These are the ones that carry the maximum weightage in the actual exam. And in this video, I'll break it all down for you, the 4 subjects to focus on, what topics inside those subjects really matter, what books or materials you actually need, just one is enough if you use mine, and how to create a smart, daily routine that works even if you're working full-time or studying part-time. I've helped many nurses clear their DHA exam with confidence, without wasting months on random topics. And now it's your turn. Also, if you're someone who prefers simple, exam-focused notes, I've created a complete DHARN notes and MCQ pack, based on the latest 2025 pattern. It includes short notes, high-yield questions, and practice sets, so you don't waste time searching here and there. So grab a notebook, or download mine, because we're about to go deep into this strategy. Let's make your DHARN dream real, and start your journey to Dubai, together. Let's get started. The DHA Registered Nurse Exam is your official gateway to nursing practice in Dubai. It's designed to test your real-world clinical knowledge, nothing more, nothing less. Here's what the structure looks like. You'll face a total of 150 multiple-choice questions, and you'll have 2 hours and 30 minutes to complete the exam. That's an average of just 1 minute per question, so time management is key. The good news? There's no negative marking, so don't leave anything blank, guess if you're unsure, and move on quickly. To pass, you need a score of around 65%. That means getting at least 98 correct answers out of 150. Now here's the best part, for the 2025 exam pattern, the focus is clear and narrowed down to just 4 major subjects. If you study these well, you are already ahead of the game. Number 1, Nursing Fundamentals, the core concepts that every nurse must master, like infection control, vital signs, hygiene, and documentation. Number 2, Adult Nursing, covering diseases, systems, pharmacology, and patient care across medical and surgical settings. Number 3, Maternal and Child Health Nursing, focusing on antenatal, intranatal, postnatal care, pediatric conditions, and growth milestones. And number 4, Nursing Management and Leadership. Yes, this is heavily weighted. It includes delegation, communication, patient safety, and ethical decision making. So don't spread yourself too thin. Focus where it matters most, and you'll save time, energy, and stress. Let's break it down. You'll hear about so many books, Saunders, Kaplan, Mosby's. But if you try to study everything, you'll just end up confused. So, I created my own DHARN notes and question bank, compiled from all the best resources. It covers all 4 subjects, based on the latest 2025 exam pattern, and includes short, crisp notes, high-yield, important questions, and over 3,000 MCQs with answers. Study smart. Save your time. One file, no stress. The link will be in the description once it goes live. I'm currently working on an app and website where you'll be able to access these notes through a simple subscription. It will launch in just a few weeks, so stay tuned. If you are a full-time working nurse, I get it, time is limited, energy is low, and your schedule is unpredictable. That's why I've designed a realistic weekly study plan just for you. You don't need to study all day, you just need consistency. Here's the plan. Focus on one subject. No multitasking, no topic hopping. On weekdays, spend just 1 hour, either early morning before your shift or in the evening. Then, use your weekends for revision and MCQs, around 2 to 3 hours total. That's it. Follow this rhythm and in just 4 weeks, you'll complete the entire syllabus once, without burnout. Calendar sample weekly breakdown. Week 1, Nursing Fundamentals, build your base strong with infection control, hygiene, and patient assessment. Week 2, Adult Nursing, dive into diseases, systems, medications, and clinical care. Week 3, Maternal or Child Nursing, from antenatal care to pediatrics, cover essential OB/GYN and neonatal content. Week 4. Leadership or management. Understand delegation, communication, legal issues, and decision making. And if you still have time before the exam, repeat the entire cycle 2 to 3 times. Each round, increase your focus on MCQs and mock tests. This repetition builds mastery and confidence. Remember, studying smart always beats studying hard. Now let's talk about smart study habits, because how you study is just as important as what you study. Here are 5 proven tips that can boost your prep without wasting your energy. Tip 1. Don't waste time on side topics. The exam only focuses on 4 subjects. If it's not in these, skip it. Tip 2. Stick to one trusted source. Jumping between books and PDFs will only confuse you. That's why I've created compact, focused notes covering all important points in one place. Tip 3. Do multiple choice questions every single day. Even just 10 to 15 questions can train your brain to think faster and retain better. Repetition creates memory. Tip 4. Practice with mock tests. Time yourself. Don't pause. This builds real exam stamina and sharpens your decision making. Tip 5. Never ignore the leadership or management section. It's heavily weighted and often overlooked. Topics like ethics, delegation, and legal aspects are easy to score if you prepare right. Stick to this formula and you'll walk into the exam with clarity, not chaos. My mission is to help nurses like you pass the DHARN exam confidently, without wasting time on too many sources. I've put all my experience, research, and exam hacks into one all-in-one notes and MCQ subscription pack. It's launching soon. Stay tuned and join early to study smart, not hard. We're in this together. Let's crack DHARN.
And that wraps up our complete DHARN study plan for 2025. Now before you click away, listen closely, because what you do after this video is what will truly decide your result. Too many nurses fail not because they're not smart, but because they waste time on too many books, too much content, and no proper strategy. So let me give you the real roadmap. Step 1. Stick to the 4 subjects I explained in this video. Don't go beyond them. Don't waste time on things like psychiatry, pediatrics separately, or irrelevant topics. The exam doesn't focus on those. Step 2. Use one trusted resource. That's why I created my own DHARN notes or question bank. It's compiled from all major books, Saunders, Kaplan, Prometric MCQs, but only what really matters. You get short notes, frequently asked questions, and over 3000 MCQs, organized by subject and based on the 2025 exam style. No guesswork, no confusion, one file, one study plan. Step 3. Make a realistic routine. Whether you're working full-time or studying full-time, use the weekly breakdown I gave. One subject, daily 1 hour on weekdays, weekend 2 to 3 hour reviews with MCQs. Just repeat this cycle 2 to 3 times and you'll be 100% ready. Now let's talk about where this is going. I'm building an entire nurse education platform, just for you. In a few weeks, my website and mobile app will be live. You'll be able to subscribe and access, checkmark DHARN notes for all 4 subjects, subject-wise MCQ banks, weekly mock tests, study planner tools, video breakdowns just like this one, no downloads, no confusion, just one clean dashboard to help you pass faster. So here's how you can stay in the loop. Follow me on Instagram at nurseindubai_Parvez. I post daily tips, answers to DMs, study tricks, and launch updates. Drop me a message if you have any doubt. I always reply to fellow nurses. Subscribe to this channel for weekly study videos and real talk about nursing careers in Dubai, Gulf countries, and more. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified as soon as the app drops or notes go live. This is just the beginning. I've already planned videos on real DHA exam questions, topic-wise MCQ drills, how to apply for Dataflow or DHA, step-by-step interview tips after passing DHA, nursing job hunt in UAE strategy. So trust me, if you're serious about cracking DHARN and starting your nurse journey in Dubai, the best place to be is right here with me. Final message to my nurse family. You don't need to be a topper. You don't need to study 10 hours a day. You just need focus, the right notes, and someone who's done it to guide you. That's why I'm here. Let's build a nurse community that supports each other, grows together, and proves that Indian or international nurses are unstoppable. Drop your questions below. Comment ready in comment box if you are starting your DHA A preparation journey with me, and don't forget to bookmark this video, share it with your nurse friends, download the notes once the link is live. Until next time, study smart, trust the process, and let's crack the DHARN exam together. This is Parvez from Nurse in Dubai signing off.